a Friday. It's on Main Street, and here we are at the old Auburn Duesenberg factory. And we are guests with Andy Stone. Say hello, Andy Stone.
Hello.
And here's Kyra's with me.
Hi.
Wait a minute.
Anyhow, we're going to get to, yeah, that's even better. Now you can see the hell he looks like. And we're going to be able to go through the original Auburn factory, Duesenberg factory, cord factory. That's part of it over there. And this is the rest of it. So anyway, I will take some more pictures on the way in so you can see everything. This is really interesting. I'll try not to, oh, you can see us clumping along through the window. Auburn Duesenberg. Metal Technologies. This is kind of cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mr. Cord, E.L. Cord.
Yes, sir.